In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change race in Arcane Lineage. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the main options that you have to change your race in Arcane Lineage. First, I want to showcase the most obvious one. So, by going over to the Purgatory after you die and your soul gets corrupted, you will be able to talk to this entity here. Then, you will be able to get the option to change your race. As you can see, you have all the race percentages displayed here. Some are going to be rarer than others, and all that you have to do is spend Robux to reroll your race. Keep in mind that this is not the only option. I'm still going to talk about another option that you can consider, but if you just want the easiest way possible to get different races, you just have to go over here, talk to this specific NPC, and choose the option to be born anew. You will usually get the pop-up to reroll your race, and then you can spend 125 Robux to get one of these random races, as you can see here. Some other races are going to be tied to certain quests, and those are going to be much more elaborate, and some of them are going to be unobtainable. Keep in mind that you can also purchase new slots, and upon joining Arcane Lineage on a new slot for the first time, you will also get assigned a random race, so that is a consideration that you can make. Now, if you don't want to spend Robux, the only option that you have is to use a Lineage Shard. You can purchase the Lineage Shard from the NPC of the black market, the mysterious merchant, for a lot of gold. Usually, it is going to vary between 3,500 gold to 4,500 in normal mode, and this might be more expensive depending on the difficulty that you are playing on. As long as you use the Lineage Shard, you will also be able to reroll your race by using gold only, so choose whichever option you prefer. If you want convenience, just go over here on the Purgatory after you die 3 times, and you will be able to talk to this entity to change your race for 125 Robux, or use the Lineage Shard. I hope I was able to help you on how to change race in Arcane Lineage. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.